Hey guys, Steve here. Today I'm going to share with you the secret to making money online that most people will never know. And I want to show you how super simple it is. This is a secret, simple system, okay, that anybody can use this method, and all it will cost you truly is $7, okay? And it's a $7 one-time purchase, no monthly fees. Everybody should have this resource or tool in their arsenal of affiliate marketing systems to promote, because you own the system. You can make $6 commissions off a $7 sale, unlimited amount of times, and you can build your buyers list. How awesome is that? Especially for a new person, right? And as you know, on my channel, I always want to show you the easiest, simplest, and cheapest ways that you can get started making money online. So with that said, let's jump over to the anatomy of the lead lightning funnel. And the product, as you can see, is called Lead Lightning. Okay, so I'll step you through. First, I'll let you watch this brief 1-minute video of the creator giving the overview, the broad, high level view of the Lead Lightning system. And then I'll go through step by step and break it down and just tell you about the different benefits that you could have in starting your online business with the Lead Lightning system. Okay.
Right now, you're looking in the back office of a marketing system called Lead Lightning. Now, Lead Lightning is going to be a game changer. It's going to allow you to create buyer leads, to build your list. It comes with an autoresponder. It has incredible training. Just look at some of the things that you're going to have access to. We're going to show you how to market. We're going to give you all kinds of different ways to promote your link. You're going to have your own contact management system. You're going to have a training area packed with videos on how to market online, how to get traffic to your site, internet marketing training, everything you can imagine. You're going to be able to join our Facebook group where you can ask questions and meet other members. We're going to give you the links to advertise. We're going to show you how to advertise those links. And check this out. Every week, we're going to pay you all your commissions. You're going to have your own e-wallet. We pay commissions all over the world. Now, if you want to get a sneak peek at this Lead Lightning funnel, all you have to do is scroll down the page, and you're going to see the earning potential just from one prospect coming through your funnel. This is amazing stuff. You can grab your Lead Lightning system right now today for only $7 one time. Just click this green button called Get Started Today and be one of the very first people to get your hands on Lead Lightning.
All right. So anyway, that was a broad level Lead Lightning overview, and it just showed you some of the features and some of the things that you can get by purchasing this Lead Lightning system for a one-time $7 fee, right? It's no monthly fees. You own it forever. And you heard the video that kind of broke all of that down. So let's walk through the funnel and see how we can actually begin our affiliate marketing career by promoting this super simple system, and that allows us to build a buyer's list and get commissions and potentially, get our online success started. Okay. So the first step in the Lead Lightning system is you're going to have a capture page. Okay. Every good funnel starts with a capture page. This is a capture page. All you need is a place where somebody can enter their email address. After the person enters their email address, they're going to be presented with this sales page here. This is the sales page opportunity for the Lead Lightning system. It's going to go through an overview of what you get. It's going to break it down. And as the person reviews this page, they're going to be presented with the offer. Hey, how about get this system for $7? And you can make $6 commission for every $7 buyer. That's just amazing, because you're paying such a low price point and you can make almost 90% of the money off of one sale. So you almost break even after one sale. Okay. And by the person buying it, they become a buyer, which gets put on your buyer's list, right? That you can promote more and more. But this Lead Lightning system automatically upsells the person as they come in. So as the person purchases the Lead Lightning system for $7, they enter their credit card information. there's a one-click upsell. Why is it a one-click upsell? Is because they already have their credit card information in the system, right? So all they got to do is say okay, and it processes through too. So you can get the payment and get the next payment, right? So the one-click upsell. After Lead Lightning is purchased, your prospects will offered a sequence of high value products during their checkout process. Each can be added to their order with just one click. So the system automatically keeps track of all of that so you don't miss an opportunity for commission. This is done automatically. So you don't have to call the person in between and say, hey, I got this. No, this is an automated system. And as affiliate marketers, we love automated systems. Why? Because it eliminates us out of it and gives us our time back that we can be doing other things. Okay. So the first step in this funnel after they purchase the Lead Lightning system for $7 is they're going to be presented with a gold membership opportunity. Now, with this gold membership, you get a suite of different tools of lead capture pages that can be created, modified. You get to be able to use share codes. You get to do all kinds of stuff, right? It's just like a whole marketing platform that has autoresponders, and it's a souped up Cadillac version of the Lead Lightning system, right? So, but on top of that, you have the opportunity to earn $20 of residual monthly income and 50% matches on whatever your downline makes. Now, it doesn't come away from their money, and it doesn't it's a match that the company provides. So that's like a win-win, right? Everybody wins in that. So depending on what they buy or don't buy, it'll determine the next leg in this funnel that they go to. Now, remember, this is automatically. So if they say, no, I don't want to be a gold member, they come down here and get presented with a silver membership, which you can still make $15 residually. Okay. And if they say no, if they say yes or no to that, then they hit the checkout and they're done. They only have what they purchased, which would either be a silver membership or only the $6 Lead Lightning system. So they're done. But if they say yes and they see the value in the gold membership and they want to earn this $20 residually from any member that they bring in, they will get upsold on the next level, which is Diamond. Now, the Diamond membership contains all kinds of training for social media marketing and other marketing tactics and strategies, and it allows you the ability to earn $100 in commissions plus a 25% match on whoever else comes in, becomes a diamond member, and sells the diamond member packages. So that increases your income, right? You're not only are you going to get the $20 residually as a gold member, but if you're a diamond member, that adds an extra $100 in commission that you can make plus the 25% matches on your team. So, and if you say yes to the diamond membership, if you say no to the diamond membership, that's the end and you're done, right? But if you say yes to the diamond membership, it's going to walk you and try to upgrade you again so that you can make a $400 commission with $50 overrides. Okay. So this is another opportunity so you can get $400 in commissions out of it now. And most people, if they really see the value and they're really into positioning themselves in the place where they can make the most money, most people will take the offer too, okay? Or they'll become the gold member and wait, and then they'll see and become a gold member. Or in my case, I was a what was I before? I was a Lead Lightning member. And what made me realize I needed to upgrade to gold is when I got I got an email notifying me that I just passed up someone. I missed out on a $20 a month residual commission. And that made me go in that day and become a gold member. But as I became a gold member, I went in and started actually really focusing on the tools. And I was like, this is one of the best systems that I can ever get into, Power Lead system, right? And then shortly after that, I made $100 commission. Luckily, I was positioned because it was unexpected. All of a sudden, one day, somebody who I had brought in upgraded, and I got $100. So that's how that works. And I'm in a position now that I don't miss pass ups. So anyway, and I use this system to make those unlimited $6 commissions, make and build my team and build my list of buyers, and create a nice little side income. And I can promote any offer with my Power Lead system. So just that's just a little, TMI, too much information, I know. But anyway, so as you come through here, you can make up to $400. And then whether you say yes or no on the platinum, you're done. Okay. So potentially you can make $526 through this one $7 funnel. You see? So I highly recommend, and you invest in yourself one time $7. Why? Because you have the potential to make $526. And that's because of the bonuses, the commissions, and the residuals that you can make in this whole funnel. And all it costs is $7 to get started. Okay. $7 one time for purchase, and you can promote this. Now, that is the lead lightning funnel. That's the breakdown of that. But I want to show you another way that you can promote this lead lightning $7 funnel, and that's with this page here. This page was made by a Power Lead System member, which is the parent company, the parent company or creators of this lead lightning funnel that you get, right? This page here, it allows you to share code it. All you would do is enter your Power Lead System ID here, and you can use this page, and it codes the whole page to you. Okay, so this shareable sheet that you can use to market your $7 system, your lead lightning system, comes with instructions on how to set it up. It basically breaks down everything to points to where a person that could just browse this page, they can see what they're getting. Now, like as I said, this button here is coded to you, so you would get any commissions that you would be owed if anybody purchases through this buy now button. Now, I can click this button and I'll show you. They'll be immediately brought to a capture page that sends the contact directly to your contact manager. And if they purchase, you'll get that $6 in your e-wallet. So this is coded to you, but it's an easy way to add a second income stream, right? And it's an easy way to present the Power Lead system to somebody, to anyone, right? But this page will be in the description box below. I'll leave a link so you can check it out yourself. Also, I'll have a link to the Power Lead system so you can see how that all the benefits and how you can use this system to generate up to potentially $526. Now, part of this page, you get these links that the creator has made easy for you to use so you can promote anything, and also the free system. That's something I didn't mention either, is that along with when you purchase the lead lightning system, you also get a free lead system, and I'll show you that. And that is a system that you can give away for free that allows you to promote any link, and it allows you to build a list by giving away a free system. Everybody likes free. Okay, so you give away a free system, they become a contact in your contact manager, and as they promote the system, the free system, since it's free, you get half of their leads. So then once they start seeing that, they're gonna be like, well, hey, I don't want to give half of my leads away. Let me just upgrade for the $7. Then boom, you get a $6 commission. So with the lead lightning system, you get also a free lead system that you can just give away that does the same thing on the back end through the automated emails. It upgrades them to lead lightning, which upgrades them to the gold membership. You see how that works. So it all starts with the $7 system. So anyway, that's one of the secrets that I wanted to share with you today on how you can use a simple funnel, either free or this $7 lead lightning system, and actually have automation walk your prospect through the funnel and potentially make up to $526. Well, anyway, that's all that I have today. I hope you got a lot out of this breakdown of the lead lightning funnel. As always, like, share, subscribe. If you all the links will be in the description box below, and if you're interested in joining, reach out. I'll help you any way that I can. That's all I got. Thanks for hanging out.